If your organization is using a G Suite account, then what the G Suite admin can do is add in the list of resources or rooms that the organization may have. So whenever an employee creates an event, they can easily book out resources and rooms that may be available. For example, you can see that I'm here in my Google Calendar event page, and if I were to book some resources for a particular event, I can go to rooms right here. So once I go to rooms, I don't have any rooms in my case, but over here, if your G Suite admin has added in rooms, you can search for particular rooms. In my case, there's a laptop available, as you can see. So in order to add that to my event, I can simply click here. So once I click here, you can see laptop is here. And if I want to remove it, I can go around, remove that out as well. So now, if I were to add in the laptop, then what happens is that the other people knows that the laptop is booked for this particular event. And if I were to go to the guest area, now I can see that the laptop has been booked out and then it is associated with this particular event. You can also go to find a time to see whether laptop is available in other timings as well. And that is how you can book a room or resource by using your G Suite account inside of Google Calendar. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.